'Cause everything reminds me of you.
Hello, welcome and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Joy. So today's video is going to be a vlog video. This is going to be like a weekend vlog. So today I have an event. It is called Igbofest here in Minnesota. If you don't know, I am from Nigeria and I'm from the eastern part of Nigeria, the Igbo part. Igbo is one of the popular ethnicity in Nigeria. So every year here in Minnesota, we gather together and have these cultural events, and it is very, very beautiful, very colorful, and very cultural. You're going to enjoy this event. So I'm going to be doing mostly voiceover on this video while I show you all the activities because of YouTube copyrights, because there will be a music in the background, so YouTube is going to flag it as a copyright music, so I don't want that. And then tomorrow I will go to Minnehaha Falls here in Minnesota, one of the busiest attractions here in Minnesota. It is beautiful and you're going to see that as well in this video, and I hope you enjoy this video to the end. And if you haven't, do subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video, like, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out whenever I post a video. And to my returning subscribers, thank you guys. You guys are awesome. So let's go. Enjoy. So I just arrived and the event hasn't started yet. It is 2 p.m. at the moment, but the time says 11 a.m. But you know what they say, African time, Nigerian time, we always have that problem when it comes to timing. Eventually people started arriving and the event finally started with some prayers and the breaking of kola nuts. Igbo land, you must have a kola nut at hand for any type of event, any type of cultural event.
Welcome to Igbofest 2024. We're prepared for you. There's a lot to enjoy. Sit down and enjoy yourself. Thank you. Nigeria kwenu.
After the breaking of the kola nuts and the prayers, there was a lot of dancing from every part of the Igbo culture. Every culture was represented, from Enugu State, Anambra State, Abia State, Imo State, Ebonyi State, and Delta State. Enjoy the dancing. was time for me to go and find me something to eat because I was really hungry. And you know, as Igbos, we have a lot of varieties when it comes to food. And the things that I was able to buy were the ones that I don't really have regularly. So I had to buy those ones, and they were so good. Highlight of every Igbofest for me is always the masquerades. I always enjoy the masquerades whenever they come out, because masquerades are something we have back home culturally in the Igbo land. So it's always beautiful to see them here in the US, because we don't see them here all the time. We see them once in a while, like events like this. That's when they come out, and I always enjoy watching the masquerades. Enjoyed myself. I had fun. The Igbofest was successful. Everybody was happy. It was colorful, and it was time for me to go home. As you can see from my face, I looked tired, and I hope you enjoyed the video from this beautiful event. Welcome to Minnehaha Falls in Minnesota. This fall is one of the most popular tourist attractions here in Minneapolis. So if you're planning on visiting Minneapolis anytime soon or during the summer, this is a place for you to visit. You will definitely enjoy it. You will love it. decided to go down to see the fall very closely. My goodness, the stairs was a lot. Like, going down to that fall was a lot of stairs, but I had to go there. I had to see it, and I went, and behold, it was beautiful. It was a beautiful sight that I could not have imagined looking at it from afar. So I really had to go down there to look at it myself very closely. And I had to go find something to eat. It was a seafood. The food was good. It was really nice. I had fun. I really enjoyed myself. And I hope you enjoyed the videos, the Igbofest video and the Minnehaha Falls video. If you haven't, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, like, and hit the notification bell. Until next time, take care.